how to change expiration date for private file sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, click on Quick Share. Here, after click on Quick Share, scroll down and click on Private Sharing History. After click on Private Sharing History, you will see your private sharing history is showing here. So if you want to change expiration date for private file sharing, so your device is showing here. After click on your device and click on three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon, and here showing you private file expiration date for private. So if you want to change expiration date, so you will change expiration date from here. After change expiration date, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change expiration date for private file sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.